If you're looking to streamline your team's workflow and securely delegate tasks within your Cloudflare account, this tutorial is for you. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to add users to your Cloudflare account, giving trusted colleagues or clients the access they need without ever sharing your own credentials. Let's dive right in and set this up together. So first things first, we need to invite a new user to your Cloudflare account. Before you start this process, make sure you're logged into your Cloudflare dashboard. Just open up your browser, head over to Cloudflare.com and enter your login details. This step is really important. Cloudflare takes security seriously, and you want to be sure you're working within the right account. If you manage multiple Cloudflare accounts, double-check you're in the correct one. It's a little thing, but it saves a lot of headaches later. Like when you realize you've just invited a user to the wrong organization. Don't worry. We've all been there. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of your dashboard. Here you'll spot your user icon, usually your initials or a little silhouette. Click on that and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Manage Account. Think of this area as your central hub for everything related to users, memberships, and account-wide settings. It's like the control room of your Cloudflare organization. Next, on the left-hand sidebar, look for the section labeled Manage Account. When within that, click Members. This Members page shows a list of everyone who currently has access to your account, along with their roles. This is really helpful for quickly seeing who's on your team, what permissions they have, and performing tidy-ups if anyone ever leaves the project. Alright, you're now ready to add someone new. There should be a button near the top that says Invite Members. Go ahead and click on that. This action triggers the invitation workflow. Think of it as handing someone an official badge to join your organization. If it takes a few moments to load, don't worry. Cloudflare is just making sure it connects you with the right options. You'll now see a field where you can enter the email address of the person you want to add. Take a quick pause here to double-check the email spelling. It's easy to mistype. And you want your invitation to reach the right inbox. After you enter their email, you might also have options to assign roles or specific permissions, depending on your account setup. Granting the right level of access is key. For example, if you're adding a developer, you might give them full admin rights. But if you're inviting a client just to view analytics, the read-only role is probably enough. Think of these permissions as the keys to different locked rooms in a building. You're choosing which doors this user will be able to open. Once you send the invite, all that's left is for your new team member to accept the invitation from their email. And that's it. You've successfully set up your Cloudflare account to be managed by multiple users without sacrificing security or control. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Drop your questions or experiences in the comments. I really do love reading and responding to those. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tech walkthroughs just like this. Thanks for watching and have a smooth, secure journey with Cloudflare.